Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial and first impressions on this eye look that you see right here. I use the Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. It is so pretty. This is what the inside looks like, and sorry mine's a little like obviously messed up because I did just use it, but if you want to see how I did this quick and easy tutorial, and by quick and easy, I really mean it's quick and easy. I used 3 brushes and it didn't take me that long at all. So if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Before we get started though, I wanted to mention, I did get like a new little tripod thing for like my desk. So let me know what you guys think of this angle that I will be using. I don't know if it's like straight exactly, but I'm hoping maybe you can see what I'm doing better. So leave me your feedback down below, unless you guys would like let me know if you like the old way better or if you want me to try something else. But yeah, we will go ahead and get started. Alright, so first I'm going to dip into the shade Morgan. It is this peachy shade right there. And I'm just going to pop that into my crease. Alright, next I'm going to dip into the shade Morning. It's the one right below it. It's just like a little bit of like a muted mustardy kind of shade. Like a little bit of peach, super unique. Just using that to kind of blend, and I'm gonna blend that a little bit higher. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M411 and I'm gonna dip into the shade Glory. It is the pretty berry shade in there, right there. This palette is so convenient. I feel like this is like the perfect size because I feel like it's like a standard size, at least it looks that way compared to like Anastasia and stuff. So you're not getting like huge pans, and I feel like the price point definitely helps because it's $65. So I really hope she continues to do more palettes in this size because I think this is like genius. And I think it will really help her brand out. And then plus more people can try out her formula because I do really like her formula. I always like hate paying the $129 or more. I have a couple of them. I have the Lila palette, the Sunset, and I have the Tropic. Tropic is okay. It's not her best. So I also don't reach for that much, but the other two are great. I haven't bought the like all matte ones because I like her shimmer formula, and I like having a palette where I can literally use like everything in one, minus my Viseart palettes, but I like Viseart. I think their mattes slightly more than these. Plus they're just a little bit more inexpensive compared to Natasha Denona, so I think that's really why. But I really like her color stories that she does with these little palettes. So next I'm gonna go back into the shade Morgan with my M433 and just kind of blend that out. And then I go back in with the M411 and I'm going to dip into the shade Clove. Is this shade right there. And I'm going to put this in the outer corner to kind of smoke out my eye. And then with nothing else on that other brush, I'm just going in and blending that out. Just kind of buffering. So that way there's no harsh lines. Let me know what you guys think of this angle. So I got like this new tripod. I think it's slightly crooked, but I tend to lean this way anyway, so I don't know if you guys are gonna notice. But yeah, I feel like it might be better for like eye looks like this. Now I just need to figure out which shimmer I want to use, and there's one that I'm like really drawn to. It is the shade Aster, I believe. Aster. I'll point to it, but it is this one right there I'm going to go in with to put all over my lid. It has some purple in it, at least it looks purple in the pan, so I'm sure you guys could guess when I use it. I love how it has like the purple with like red berry reflex. I feel like it's just so pretty. And I also like how this palette, you could easily do like an easy everyday eye look, and I really like the mustard, like a deep mustard. There's like an orangey shade. I feel like this is gonna be a really good fall palette as well. You got your berries and like a mustard orange and yellow. I think it's just super pretty. All Alright, and then I'm gonna go back in with the M411 and dip back into Clove. Just kind of make sure the outer corner blends with the shimmer. And just kind of swoop it in the crease. And then like a windshield wiper motions. And then I'm gonna go in and blend with nothing else on my brush in the M433. Alright, just in case I got some fall because I felt stuff hit my cheek, but I don't really see it. So I'm just gonna sweep that away. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line real quick. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Morgan on my JH40 and just sweep this under the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna dip in to the shade Glory, that berry pink, and do the same thing. And then Clove. I'm gonna focus Clove on the outer corner and then bring it in just a little bit. I wanna go in and put a little bit of inner corner shimmer. So I'm gonna do some inner corner shimmer and I'm gonna wet my brush just in case. And I'm gonna go in with my R41 and I'm gonna dip into the shade, we'll do Laurel, I believe, is this one in the corner where my thumbnail is. It's kind of hard to decide, but I'm just gonna pop that in the inner corner just to add a little something something. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my liner off camera. I always feel weird when I do it on camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and put on some mascara, and then I'll show you guys what falsies I am wearing today. Alright, so here is the liner and lashes. You could obviously, just mascara, not lashes, but you could obviously just leave it like this and go on about with your day. I actually really like this mascara. It is the Too Faced Damn Girl. I mentioned it in my last tutorial that I did. And I just want to quickly mention what liner I'm wearing. So on the top, I'm wearing the Morphe Blackout Liquid Eyeliner. It's kind of like the NYX, but the packaging is better on this. NYX like changed it, and every time you pull it out, it like splatters, and I hate it because I've ruined clothes that way. And then on my waterline, I'm wearing the Pat McGrath Labs Extreme Black gel liner, and I need another one of this because it's becoming a nub. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some false lashes and finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll show you guys the completed look. Alright, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my makeup and did my hair for the day, and this is the finished look. Alright, so that is it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So far, I do really enjoy this palette. I think it's super cute. I hope she releases more palettes in this size because I think it is perfect for traveling and just like, honestly, like an everyday palette because it's not too big, and I think it makes it more accessible for people because it's literally like half the price of her other palettes. So I really enjoy it. Be sure and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and follow me on all of my socials, especially Instagram. It's where I'm the most active. I will have my RewardStyle links below, so if you do decide to purchase any of these products through my links, I will make a small commission, and I greatly appreciate it if you do use them, but obviously you don't have to. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.